is today's Flashback 4. Pause the video here to have a go at the questions. Don't forget to name the shape in the top right hand corner. Here are the solutions. And the shape is a cylinder. Today we're learning about subtracting decimals with the same number of decimal places. Let's look at an example. 23.51 subtract 21.36. We'll use a column method and a place value grid to help us understand. Let's start by representing 23.51 in my place value grid. We need to subtract 600ths from 100. And using the counters, at the moment this can't be done. So what do we need to do? We need to perform an exchange. We can exchange 1/10 for 10 hundredths, because we know that 1/10 is equal to 10 hundredths. You can see on the place value grid that we have 4/10 and 11 hundredths. Let's show this on our column method. Now we can subtract 6 hundredths. 11 hundredths subtract 6 hundredths is 5 hundredths. Now let's look at the tenths. We need to do 4/10 subtract 3/10, which is equal to 1/10. Now let's look at the ones. 3 ones subtract 1 1. This is equal to 2 ones. And finally the tens. 2 tens subtract 2 tens is 0 tens. So 23.51 subtract 21.36 is equal to 2.15. Pause the video here and have a go at questions 1 to 5 on the worksheet. This next example is about apples and bananas. How much more does the bag of apples cost than the bunch of bananas? With questions like this, a bar model can be really useful to help us be sure of which operation we need to do. Have a look at the symbol on the right hand side of the screen. If you see this symbol on the worksheet, it means that it will be really useful to draw a bar model to help you answer the question. The bar model is really useful because too often, when we see the word more, we think we need to add. Sometimes we might need to, but in other questions we need to subtract. And using a bar model helps us to overcome this confusion. Let's look at the bar model. The apples cost £1.63 and the bananas cost £1.18. We want to know how much more does the bag of apples cost than the bunch of bananas. Looking at the bar model, it's clear that we're finding the difference, so we need to perform a subtraction. £1.63 subtract £1.18. First, let's look at the hundredths. We need to do 3 hundredths subtract 8 hundredths. When we were using counters, this wouldn't be possible, so we need to perform an exchange. We need to exchange 1/10 for 10 hundredths. This would leave us with 5/10 and 13 hundredths. 13 hundredths subtract 8 hundredths is equal to 5 hundredths. 5/10 subtract 1/10 is equal to 4/10. And 1/1 subtract 1/1 is equal to 0 ones. So £1.63 subtract £1.18 is equal to 45 pence. So the bag of apples costs 45 pence more than the bunch of bananas. Pause the video here and have a go at questions 6 to 8 on the worksheet. In this example, we're going to use a number line. We want to know what is the difference between A and B. We can think of the word difference in this case as meaning what is the gap between the two numbers. So we need to perform 470.13 subtract 437.97. Pause the video here and have a go. Here's the solution. Pause the video here and have a go at question 9 on the worksheet.